Hi guys, welcome back to the Player YouTube channel, and today something a little bit different. I've been called up by a very good friend of mine, Richard Baxter, and he wants to show me something rather special. I have no idea what this is. It could be anything, knowing Mr. Baxter, aka Professor BMW, as you might have heard me refer to him. So we're going to go and drive and arrive hopefully in our destination in a few minutes and find out exactly what Richard has got up his sleeve. Right, so as usual with Professor BMW here, Richard Baxter, aka, you got something you want to show me, and you said it's not a car, because it's normally cars with you.
That's true.
Right.
So it's a guess.
Yeah, and we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, and it has a BMW badge on it.
Right.
Come and have a look, it's just easy to see it.
We're going to have a look at this, guys, because apparently it's pretty special. So, what the... Oh my God! Hang on, let me follow you around here. What the is this?
This is BMW's, a BMW boat.
A BMW boat! This is unbelievable, look at it.
Beautiful, beautiful hull, wonderful shape.
What's it doing in your garden?
It's here.
You gotta love it.
Can you believe it? Another restoration project.
Another restoration project. Look at it. It's got the Martini BMW colours in it.
It's motorsport colours.
That's the motorsport one.
Yeah.
Wow.
The red, violet, and blue.
When was the last time this was out at sea?
God, I don't know. I've never had it running.
What a shame.
So, but you know, it's going to be something so special.
Guys, come and have a quick look round this. This is amazing.
Come and have a look, because it's...
I don't want to get wet, dirty feet. Oh my God, look at the back of this.
I think, look, it's got a special, it's an inboard motor.
Yeah.
That's called a Z drive, because of the shape of it.
Wow.
And then underneath here.
Yeah. There's bits coming down, and also...
It's the gubbins.
Oh, look at that.
So this is a BMW M10 engine.
M10?
M10. So it was fitted to things like 2002. Do you remember?
2002, no.
In the 70s.
What's that?
2002 was a small compact before the sort of...
Oh, the 2002, yes.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, 2002, of course I do. This has got a nasty crack in it.
Yeah, that's the problem with it. And also, unfortunately, the engine is seized.
Oh, what a shame.
But no, it's all doable.
It's got a proper distributor cap. There's a coil on here.
It's got carburetors, not fuel injected.
Yeah, wow.
And
this is old school.
It's a great engine. and great boat. So what I'm holding up here is actually, apart from the engine cover,
this is
the sun deck.
Yeah.
So sun deck there, and it's a fast boat.
I bet it is.
And
this would do like 60, 70 miles an hour.
I don't know if it'd do that much. I think probably about 40 knots if you're lucky.
So
actually.
This is your restoration project.
Yeah.
And we're seeing it. We're the first people to see it before it's even been dragged out of the garden.
Well, yeah, that's right. I did buy it many years ago.
Right.
And it's just got to go into the workshop and get started. It's going to be a complete strip out.
Well, it's just fantastic, Rich. I love it.
It's a lovely boat.
If there is no better place or person for it to be with than you, because this is going to be lovingly caressed and brought back to life again, isn't it?
I can't wait. I really can't wait.
And what we're going to do, guys, if you're watching this, we're going to follow the story of this boat from this stage here. This is, what are we now, May 2020. So, and we'll do a date update with you every, 3 months, 4 months?
Yeah, but we've got to get a start date, and the start date isn't for at least 6 months.
Right, so in 6 months, Rich is going to start rebuilding this, and then we're going to follow its life until we take it out.
Yeah. South
coast of England?
Yeah, Dorset coast.
This time next year, 2021 July.
Wouldn't that be great? Studland
Bay. Apparently it's a nudist colony.
Well, it is further up.
It's a nudist beach.
But what it means is you can get to see them earlier or quicker.
Even better. I love it. Professor BMW, thank you once again for showing us something spectacular. It's utterly amazing. Don't forget, guys, like, comment and subscribe at your peril. And I'm not going to say we'll catch you at another boat next week. It's quite unusual. But we will catch up with this at a later date. Thanks for watching.